Hello, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, we are looking at pyramids and also how to find the total surface area of pyramids. But before that, what is a pyramid? Now, a pyramid is a 3D shape with a polygon base and a triangular faces. So, a pyramid consists of three dimensions, just as we call it a 3D shape. So, we have one dimension here, another dimension here, another one down here, making up a 3D shape. And now we are seeing that for a polygon, a pyramid has a polygon base and also a triangular faces. Now, when we look at this particular pyramid here, the base of this pyramid is a square and the four faces, which are the, and the four triangular faces, and then the base, which is the square. All right. Now, the polygon, the pyramid and the pyramid with its polygon base, which is a square, and the triangular faces meet at a common point. So this common point is called the apex of the pyramid. The apex of the pyramid. So all the four triangular faces, 1, 2, 3, 4 faces of the triangle aspect of the pyramid and the square all meet at a common point that is called an apex of the pyramid. So the base of a pyramid could be a square, just as we see over here. For that matter, such pyramid is called a square base pyramid. And a pyramid with a rectangular base is also called a rectangular base pyramid. And a pyramid with a triangular base is called a triangular pyramid. So a pyramid is named by looking at its base. Now the faces of the pyramid are four triangles, and then apex is the top point. So a typical real life examples of pyramids is the Egyptian pyramids, the one with the square base, and then the tetrahedron, which has a triangular base. Okay, now how do we find the total surface area of pyramid? Okay, now before that, one of the real life examples of pyramids is the normal um, pyramid roof shapes that normally builders put on their top of buildings. So most of the roofings that we have on top of our buildings are all pyramid shapes. All right. Now the next question is, how do we find the total surface area of a pyramid with a square base? Don't forget that the net of a pyramid. What is the net of a pyramid? Okay. So now let's look at the net of a pyramid. The net of a pyramid is the 3D pattern. Is the 2D pattern that folds to form the 3D pyramid. So the net of a pyramid is the one that is in the form of 2D pattern. That's when you fold it becomes a 3D pyramid. So for the net of a pyramid, we have the square base. For this particular pyramid, we have the net to be a square base. And then we also have four triangular faces. That is one here. Then we have another one, two here. So we have four triangular faces. We have four triangular faces. All right. So this is the 2D pattern. 2D pattern that is forming the pyramid. All right. Now, how do we find the total surface area of this particular pyramid? Now, just as we said earlier on, the base of this pyramid is a square. For that matter, the length of this square has been given as 8 centimeters. So this side is called 8 centimeters. Now this side alone here, we also have the same thing as this one, which is also 8 centimeters. And for that matter, since it's a square, all the sides are equal. So the rest of the sides are also 8 centimeters. Then we have the height of the triangle, one of the triangular faces. That one is 11 centimeters. Now, since all the four faces, which are triangles, are all equal, it means that the area for one of the triangles equals the area of the rest of the triangles. So when we find the area of one triangle and we want to find the total surface area for all the four triangles, we just multiply the area of one of the triangles, and that becomes the area for the four triangles. Now, how do we find the total surface area of this pyramid? Now, the total surface area of this pyramid is a combination of the area of one square, that is one of the square at the base, and then area of the four triangular faces. So first of all, let's find the area of the square. So area of the square equals length times length. So area of the square is equal to length times length. And the length is from here, the length is 8 centimeters. So 8 centimeters times 8 centimeters. And that gives us 64 centimeters square. Okay, so that is area of the square. Now the next thing to find here is to find the area of one of the triangular faces. So area of the triangle is also area of a triangle is given as half times the base times the height. So in this case, the height of the triangle is given as 11 centimeters and the base is 8 centimeters. So 11 centimeters. Okay, so half 2 goes here, 1 goes here, 4. 4, 11, 44. So 44 centimeters squared. Now, since the triangle are 4, if you want to find the total area for the total area for the 4 triangles, then we are going to multiply area of one of the triangles by 4. So we're going to have 4 times 44. Now, 4 times 44 gives us 166. So that becomes the area for the 4 triangular faces. Okay, so now entire total surface area of the pyramid. The total surface area of the pyramid is a combination of the area of the 4 faces and that of a square. Now area of the square, so area of the square plus area of the 4 triangular faces, area of the 4 triangular faces. Okay, so area of the square from here, we had 64 centimeters squared, and area of the 4 faces too, we have 166 centimeters squared. Okay, so we add 176 plus 64 together, and our result gives us 240 centimeters squared. So this is the total surface area of the entire pyramid. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.